worldwide perform biological assays, tests that quantify target molecules like proteins in blood. Biological assays are vital for diagnostics, food testing, drug discovery, and many other life science research fields. In most cases, they are done manually, wasting time, resources, and precious samples. The major challenge in these tests is a labor-intensive manual procedure, shown in red here. Rest of the stages are just a few minutes each, shown in blue. This red procedure alone involves more than 10 manual steps, demands 4 to 8 hours of hands-on work, highly prone to human errors, and wastes significant resources and samples. Clearly, this challenge begs for a solution. Very large laboratories can afford expensive end-to-end solutions that automate the entire test, but cost about $100,000. Rest of the labs settle on labor-intensive manual tests. What we offer is a device that automates those 10 manual steps only, rather than the entire test. This simplification allows us to make the automation significantly cheaper, $5,000 as opposed to $100,000, making it highly accessible for all labs. With our solution, users simply load samples into our proprietary disposable cartridge, and the critical steps are done for them automatically. From 4 hours to 1 hour, saving 90% sample, and at the fraction of the price. We are confident that laboratories will recognize the clear advantages of our system. The biological assay market is $40 billion worldwide and growing. Our customers belong to the $7 billion subsegment of non-automated research labs that cannot afford the existing expensive solutions. We will sell low-cost devices to thousands of labs worldwide, and then repeatedly sell them our proprietary disposable cartridges, driving recurring revenue. We are a team of experienced life science innovators. I bring more than 20 years of life science multidisciplinary R&D experience, and my advisors, Dr. Shizifi and Vered Bronner, add decades of expertise in life science applications. We have a proven track record, and we are the team to solve this critical market need. We have developed a preliminary proof of concept and filed a provisional patent application. We have received positive feedback from potential customers in academia and industry. Currently, we are initiating biological testing and seeking to expand our team with co-founders and secure funding. For the past few months, we looked at a few potential markets, including point of care and big pharma, and we realized that non-automated labs need us the most. We already have 2 highly interested potential customers who are ready for our product. So now we are ready for biological experiments, which is why we are seeking a biologist with relevant experience and the required funding. Join us in automating biolabs everywhere. Thank you.
תודה רבה לבועז.